The warehouse can be a dangerous place with many hazards. That's why we have rules and procedures to keep everyone safe. Let's talk about how to safely navigate a warehouse on foot. You should always be on the lookout for forklifts and other equipment operating around MHE highways. Make sure to stay on the dedicated pedestrian walkways when working around MHE. If you need to cross an MHE highway, watch out for MHE and automated equipment. Some of these may project a blue safety light onto the floor as a warning, but this won't always be the case. And always make eye contact with the driver and keep a safe distance from MHE. Now, before we get to the fun part of operating a forklift, let's go over the rules. First, only people who are trained, certified, and authorized are allowed to operate equipment. Second, forklifts should only be used when absolutely necessary. So make sure a forklift is the right tool for the job. Third, always perform visual and operational inspections of your equipment before use. And make sure to report any equipment or safety issues immediately. And finally, always be aware of other workers and machinery around you. Stick to the designated MHE highways and always stop at intersections, blind spots, and when exiting trailers. And don't forget to use the horn. All right, now buckle up and give it a try. To make sure you have a clear view, drive with the forks trailing. Always check your surroundings and be aware that pedestrians could be in your blind spots. When you need to operate equipment in the same area where other MHE or pedestrians are working, wait for them to complete their work or ask them to leave before you drive into the area. Equipment operators and pedestrians should never work in close quarters with each other. Be sure to communicate so everyone can get their work done safely. And before you exit an MHE, make sure the forks are lowered and the parking brake is engaged. Great work! You're ready to start next level safety.